Well, I think 5 years from now, I would like to see higher electrification rates. I would like to see stronger industries. Us, at Bakulu Power, we really care about building business. We care about electricity as a means to human development. We care about livelihood improvement, the restoral of dignity. So I would like to see thriving industries. We just recently, Africa signed a historic free trade agreement. And I think that's very exciting. And I think that's going to really change the shape of Africa. And I think that combined with electrification, we will see strong industries, we will see less unemployment, our youth will have jobs, and we'll have a better future.